I'm gonna make this.
Actually, what I meant to say is that I'm going to be making the dress on the doll, not the actual doll, but maybe you gathered that already. To be a little bit more specific, it's a Secret-Jouju dress.
Actually, I should have explained that a little bit better. There have got to be people like me out there. My mind is 5 light years ahead of my mouth. So basically, my mind is already over there working on the project while my mouth is over here explaining it. But I still haven't explained the dress. Maybe if I wrote down the script and read it, it would be better. Sikr릿쥬쥬 is a Korean cartoon about a fairy princess and her adventures. Jouju is the main character, and I am attempting to make her dress for a 5-year-old. Back to the project.
Hello. The point of this voiceover is because my background music is shorter than the length of this video, and I need to cut in every once in a while so I can start the music again. I would also like to take this time to tell you a funny story. When my husband proposed, he made a grand display with rose petals and candles. Romantic, I know, but all that work was actually completed by his brother before he got off work. Now back to sewing.
Almost done. Excited about how well this actually turned out. This is the second dress that I've made for my little girl, and I think next time I'm going to use a little bit less tulle and more like actual fabric so that it's not so see-through. But other than that, I'm pretty pleased with the result. What do you think, Mina? You like it?
Hey, Mina! Hey, Mina!
Hey, 답 좀 해봐. 야.
Hey, Mina!
Yeah?
Repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
I
like,
I mean
love
love
My dress!
my dress.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Well, she said she likes it.